Non-terminating decimals. So non-terminating decimals means when the remainder is never becomes zero. So that type of decimals are called non-terminated decimals. So non-terminated decimals are two types. First one is pure recurring decimals. Second one is mixed recurring decimals. So first of all, pure recurring decimals. That means a decimal number in which all the digits after the decimal point all are repeated. So that type of decimals is called pure recurring decimals. For example, 0.3 bar. So that means 0.3333 and so on. So 0.3333 and so on. So only 3 is the repeating. So in this example 0.232323 also. That means after the decimal point 2 digits are repeated. And the 0.675 bar, that means 0.675675. So this type of decimals is called pure recurring decimals. Second one, mixed recurring decimals. A decimal number in which at least one digit after the decimal point is not repeated and the remaining all are repeated. So this type of decimals is called mixed recurring decimals. For example, 0.72 bar. So these are 0.7222 also. So this type of decimals is called mixed recurring decimals. So in this example 0.6454545. So these are the mixed recurring decimals example. So these are called mixed recurring decimals. If at least one digit is repeated, that is called pure recurring decimals. Non-terminated recurring decimals into the rational. That means so non-terminated recurring decimals converts into the rational form. For example, take that 0.7 bar. So this type of decimals converting into the rational form. First, given the decimal point taking as the x, so let x is equal to 0.7 bar. So in the repeated term taking as at least 2 times, that means so x is equal to 0.777 and so on. So when how many digits are repeated, that means one digit is repeated, then multiply by 10. If two digits are repeated, multiply by 100. Then n digits are repeated, then multiplying by 10 power n. So if one digit is repeating, then multiplying by 10 power 1 on both sides. That means is the taken one. And one number is repeated, then multiplying by 10. So by multiply both sides by 10. So 10x is equal to 7.777 and so on. So taking as this is equation number 2. By subtracting 2 minus 1, so we get, so 10x minus x, so 9x is equal to 7.777 and so on, minus of 0.777 and so on. So 9x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 by 9. So this is the non-terminated recurring decimal into the rational form. So this is simply denoted as when the how many digits are. So for example, x equal to 0.7 bar. This is conversing into the form of 7 by 9. That means how many digits are repeating, and directly we get denominator taking as the number of nines. For example, x equal to 0.23 bar, that is equal to 23 by 99. So take as another example. So keep it 0.23 bar. So taking as x is equal to 0.2323 and so on. So is it two digits are repeating, then multiplying by 100. So multiply by 100. So then 100x is equal to 23.2323 and so on. This is equation 2. Then subtracting 2 minus 1, we get 99x is equal to 23.2323 and so on, minus of 0.2323 and so on. So 99x is equal to 23, x equal to 23 by 99. This is the non-terminated recurring decimal into the rational form. For example, 0.2562 bar. So this decimal is mixed recurring decimal. That means after the decimal point, two digits are not repeated and the two digits are repeated. So first given decimal taking as the x. So x is equal to 0.2562 bar. So in this type of decimals, first how many digits are not repeated? That means two digits are not repeated. Then multiplying by 10 power of non-repeated terms. For example, non-repeated terms are 2. So that means multiplying by both sides on 10 power 2. So x 100x is equal to 25.62 bar, and 100x is equal to 25 plus 62 bar, and 100x is equal to 25 plus, so 62 by 99. So 100x is equal to 25 into 99 plus 62 by 99. So 100x is equal to 2475 plus 62 by 99. Then 100x is equal to, and x is equal to 2537 divided by 9900. So this is the conversion of non-terminated mixed recurring decimals into the rational form. So this is the very important method. So x is equal to 0.2562 bar. First, how many digits are not repeating? Then the multiplying that type of numbers to 10 power 2. Then 100x is equal to 25.62 bar. So 25 plus some 62 bar means 0.62 bar will be right. So 0.62 bar changes into 62 by 99. Then simplifying both, we get x is equal to 2537 by 9900. This is the conversion of non-terminating recurring decimals into the rational form.